ayan, loading ulit tayo. Third lap. Third lap na natin. Ito yung OB natin. Ito yung young bird. YB. Isang YB natin. So ayan, good luck.
2,000 years later.
Good luck.
A few moments later.
So ayan, second lap nga natin. 2 of 4, dalawang cut off natin, dalawa na naman silang cut off. Ayan, ipapakita natin. So ayan, clock clock yung YB natin, ito. Ayan, 930 speed niya, 930. Ayan, si boy cut off. Ayan, si boy cut off yung isa. Ayan, clock natin. Tsaka yung old bird natin na nasa kabila. So ayan, yung OB natin. Clock din yung OB natin, clock. So ayan, good luck sa fourth lap derby ng GFRPA.